Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, October the 16th, 2021. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku for tomorrow, 2 stars Sudoku for tomorrow, and I've solved this one today. This one I will do in a minute, in a few seconds. I've solved the binary, and this one for tomorrow. So 3 puzzles on Sunday, and this one I will solve now. The last puzzle of today is a tectonic with 4 stars. Number 3547. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, let me count, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 16 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but I think it's what a easy one. For a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. We'll see if this is a 4 stars Sudoku or puzzle. And this tectonic, yes, this tectonic, let me position the camera, has 4 stars, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only 1? Yeah, we have only 1 single box. I see here a dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes? Yeah. Here, triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. Okay. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes? No. No quadra boxes. So, the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, constructions, structures, whatever, you name it. For example, we have the T construction. Let me draw this. The T construction. Here we have one. Remember, if you see a T shape or T figure, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So let me draw this. This box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. Do we have more T-shapes? Yeah, here. Another one. Here. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then, see here the Z construction. Yes, the Z construction. Let me draw this. Alright. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. More Z constructions? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Mirrored. Yeah. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then one shape is left. I see one shape. Oh no, two. Two. We have two shapes left that you need to recognize. How about this one first? Okay. This one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And the last one, this one. Let me draw this. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. So we have here 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures, 5 shapes that you need to recognize. Only 5, yes. There are more, but in this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. Alright, so next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. We have a 3 here. I've marked those two boxes with the 2 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And that box is connected with this box. Should be also a 3. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. In this Z construction. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. One box left in this dual box for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this Z construction for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I think, no, don't think too much. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this T shape area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. Okay. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here. So it cannot be a 4. It should be a 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Okay. 1 box left in this T shape area for number 4. Okay. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, it's in the same area, the 4, and cannot be a 5, yes, definitely 2, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5, we have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here and a 5 goes there, now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, these two boxes are left in this L shape area for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, these two boxes can be a 2. These two boxes can be a 2 also. This box cannot be a 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 here. If I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So it's not the solution to place the 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. This box can be a 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. All right. Okay. Then these 3 boxes. So round the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. 1, 2. Okay. Let me see. 4, 2. Yeah, this box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. Then yeah. 2. I'm thinking. I'm stuck. 4, 1. This box should be 2 or 3. 2 or 3, 2 or 3. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. This box should be 4 or 5. Can it be a 1? Can it be 2? Can it be a 3? 2 or 3. This box can it be a 1? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? So 2 or 3. This box is connecting with that box. 2 or 3. I think I'm stuck here. 2. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Aha, we have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot place any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Those 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. Alright. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, it should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. This box is connected with also that box, 2 and 3. We have a 3 here. So it cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 2 there. So this box is going to be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2? Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then this box can be A4, that box can be A4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be A3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Can it be, should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Definitely a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left. In this area for numbers 1 and 2, we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Those 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left, the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. You see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes. Yes, for 2 stars, I need 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, and I've solved this in 16 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, for the letter Sudoku. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, medium, and the light, for the quintuplet, for the killer Sudokus, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday with the other 3 puzzles left in this additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.